Wala daw advice kung mag-release today. So, we'll just have to wait kung meron. Pero ang sabi, wala daw advice.
Okay,
So, yun lang yung nagbigay sa amin ng info. So, we'll just bangan kung ano yung next update.
After you don't neglect sa 30 days, it could be released anytime na, no? By email.
Could be released anytime. Pero syempre, walang advice. So, we'll just have to wait. We don't know kung today or tomorrow. So, we'll just have to wait.
Okay, based on the 30 days summary hearing, what are you expecting na magiging resolution ng the bill?
Sabi namin, well, we hope for the best. We'll just pray. And we'll just wait. So, we cannot comment further on that.
Pero right now, before 4 p.m., meron na bang abiso sila? Anong abiso?
Wala rin eh. So, that's the advice that we got. So, there's no advice. So, wala din kaming inaasahan na mare-release today. So, we just have to wait talaga. And we continue to pray.
Sir, parang sinabi sa court nung nakaraan na dapat 30 days, so dapat papatak na yung May 6. Pwede pa pabukas yun or sa ibang araw?
Well, it's the court's discretion. So, we cannot, we cannot question that. So, again, hintay lang.
Pero si Senator Bong, ano po nakausap niyo po ba siya?
No, haven't talked. So, we just concentrated on the hearing today. So, wala talaga eh. Kung waiting, talagang ganun talaga. Alright?
Sir, kanina doon sa hearing, wala namang nabanggit si Miss Sally na talagang may mga direct knowledge siya na may kinalaman si Senator Bong.
That's correct.
Anong tingin niyo doon sa testimony niya na yan?
Well, we'll take it as it is. No? As far as we're concerned, we have been very consistent dun sa position namin na wala naman talagang link sa Senator. You can see Ms. Santos, as she had testified during the bail hearing as it is today, consistent naman yung testimony as regards our